My dear fellows, Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu was the son of Haidar Karar, the line of the god Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and the liver piece of Sayyidata Fatima Zahra radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Mr. President, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him said 8 times, Al-Hussain minni wa ana min Hussain. Al-Hussain minni wa ana min Hussain. Hussain from me and I am from Hussain. How much? How much Prophet Muhammad Mustafa peace be upon him loved with him? My dear fellows, Mr. President, one day, Prophet Muhammad Mustafa peace be upon him was addressing in masjid on pulpit while Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu was tired. Suddenly he coming into masjid but fell down when Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa peace be upon him saw him to go and he left his address and pick up him. My dear fellows and my dear friends, why we memorize Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu? Why we memorize Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu? Because, my dear, because Prophet Muhammad Mustafa, peace be upon him, said and pre-offer for Hussain that any who show affection with Hussain, any who show affection with Hussain, I love with him. Oh Allah, you love with them. Who's love with Hussain? Who loves with Hussain? My dear fellows, that's all. I would like to take my place after reading this poem in Urdu language. अफ़ज़ल है कुल जहाँ में घराना हुसैन का, अफ़ज़ल है कुल जहाँ में घराना हुसैन का, नबियों का ताजदार है नाना हुसैन का, अफ़ज़ल है कुल जहाँ में घराना हुसैन का, अफ़ज़ल है कुल जहाँ में घराना हुसैन का, नबियों का ताजदार है नाना हुसैन का। यूँ तो थी एक पल की हुकूमत यजीद की, सतियाँ हुसैन की हैं ज़माना हुसैन का। End of all, listen to me. I say, please subscribe to my channel and like my page. Thanks for listening.